Ultimate Hair Extension Lengths Guide. Find your perfect match. When it comes to extensions, length is everything. Go too short, and you might not see the transformation you're hoping for. Go too long, and you might struggle with tangles, maintenance, and a look that doesn't feel like you. The truth is, choosing the right hair extension lengths is about more than just inches, it's about balance, lifestyle, and confidence. This guide will walk you through why length matters, how to pick the perfect match, and what real-life results look like. By the end, you'll know exactly how to answer the classic question, what length hair extensions should I get? https://ultimate-hair-extension-lengths/. #hair extension lengths #what length hair extensions should I get #hair extension length by height #minimum hair length for extensions.